Hello everybody, my name is Evgeny. I'm a Director of Incident Response with ARETE Advisors. So since a lot of us got stuck during the COVID-19 at homes and trying to cook at home, we figured out that we'll try to do something different. So today we actually will do and record a 3-part video with like 3 different dishes. So ARETE Advisors actually specialize on cybercrime investigations, and our major offices are in Canada, Florida, and India. So we'll try to do basically each dish that will represent each region. And we're graciously being hosted by Culinary Cooking School. And I'll let Chef Pete introduce himself.
I'm Chef Pete with Culinary Cooking School. And tonight, we're gonna do a little bit of everything. We have some coconut shrimp that's gonna be from kind of the Florida area. We're doing some Beaver Tails from Canada. And then I can't wait to taste your dish. He's been cooking and it's been like, wow.
And for Indian dish, instead of actually doing Indian dish, because I probably will get my coworkers yelled at me for not doing it correctly. So I actually will use Russian dish that uses a lot of similar ingredients, similar spices to pay a tribute to that. And the name of that plov. So let's get started.
Yes, absolutely. So for the Beaver Tails, what I've got here is the mise en place. Everything is measured and ready to go, and that's your best way to cook. So I'm going to start off with the eggs, which I've already beaten. This is 2 eggs, and to this I'm going to add some sugar, and we're going to whip this up to the ribbon. So we're gonna let this go until it's really nice and pale, almost like making a cake. All right, so I have a cup of milk, a teaspoon of sugar. I'm gonna add 2.5 teaspoons of yeast to this. And then we're just gonna let that dissolve while this is doing its thing. And you can see how the yolks have become very pale, and it actually sits on top when you run your whisk through this. So this is now at the ribbon, and I'm going to switch over to our dough hook, and I'm going to start incorporating the flour and our yeast. Then I'm going to start slowly incorporating the flour. Trying not to make a mess, but... So this will all start pulling together and form a sticky ball. And then we're going to start adding in, this is 2 tablespoons or 2 ounces of butter, and it's softened. And you want to scrape this down to make sure everything's being incorporated. And I'm going to start slowly adding in little tabs of butter here. All right, so we've got this nicely mixed up. I'm just going to turn it out and hand knead it just for a minute or so, and then we're going to put this into a lightly greased bowl, cover it up, and let it do a rise. So it is nice and sticky. And then I'm just going to form this into a ball by turning it inside like so, and then just slightly rolling it. So we'll take just a little bit of vegetable oil, and then we're going to proof this. If you don't have a proofer, which most people don't, you can just turn your oven light on and shut the door, and that will act as a proofer. So that's a real good tip if you're making pizza or bread. And I have my oven at 90 degrees, but ours goes down that low, so it makes it real nice. But the light in the oven works really well. So I'm going to take just a little bit of plastic and put this on top. All right, so into our oven until that doubles in size. So we've cross-hatched these, got our oil up to 350, and we're gonna put a couple in. I think I missed that one, but we'll do a couple at a time. So we're looking for a nice golden brown on these, and I'm just picking them up enough to take a little peek, but I can start seeing here they're starting to turn brown around the outside. Yeah, so we got a nice brown around the outside, so let's see how we are. Oh yeah. And you're gonna wanna season these as soon as they come out because the oil will help absorb, yeah, melt the sugar and and there are our Canadian beaver tails. Hopefully we made you guys proud up in Canada.
And guys, thank you very much for watching our videos, and hopefully you enjoy the recipes. If you have any future suggestions, questions, or maybe recommendations for the next series, please send us comments. We'll be more than happy to assist you guys.
Hopefully we'll be doing a lot more of these.
Thank you guys.
Take care.